Sometimes we are working with larger file size, we need to compress it to smaller file size. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show how to compress larger file to smaller file size. Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Firstly, I recommend to install WinRAR software. Link I provided in the video description. To compress larger file to smaller file size, just right click on the file, select WinRAR. Now select Add to Archive. Here select the RAR radio button. Compression method, here I am going to choose best option. When I choose the best option, WinRAR compress it to possible smallest file size. Now select the dictionary size 128 MB. When we choose the compression method best option, it is recommended to choose dictionary size more than 64 MB. To set the password, click on set password option. Here we can set the password. First untick the show password option. Enter your password, re-enter the password. It is recommended to select the encrypt file names checkbox. Now click on OK. Now click on OK. It takes few minutes to compress the file size. Yes, file compression is successfully completed. Now we can check the file size. First we can check the original file size. Just right click. Select properties. Original file size is 3.25 GB. Click on OK. Now check the zip file. Just right click. Select properties. It reduced to 450 MB. Now click on OK. To extract this file, again right click. Choose WinRAR. Select on extract here. When I select the extract here, system asks the password. Enter the password. Now click on OK. Because of same file size it is asking, just click on yes to all. It started the extraction. It takes a few minutes to extract the data. Yes, it successfully extracted. Now check the extracted file size. Click on properties. Yes, it exactly same as original file size. Now click on OK. That's it today video tutorial. If this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.